Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about the phrase structure rules in linguistics. Today we are going to talk about first, definition and basic rules, second, some examples, and finally, the main principles of the phrase structure rule. So, what is phrase structure rule? A phrase structure rule is a type of a rewrite rule used to describe a given language syntax. Now, let's introduce some basic rules for the phrase structure rule. We set each sentence as a TP, that means a tense phrase. And for each TP, we can divide it into a DP and T bar or CP and a T bar. For each T bar, it contains a T, means tense, and a VP. And finally, for VP, it goes to V bar and then goes to the main verb V and the other segments. Now, let's talk about DP example. The example sentence, the cat is sleeping. For the structure, on the very top we have a TP, and then we have DP and T bar. The DP part in this sentence is the cat, and that functions as a determiner. And then T bar goes to T and VP. As presented on the previous section, T means tense, and in this sentence tense is present. Then VP goes to V bar, and then V, the main verb, is, and then sleeping goes to other segments. Now, let's go to the CP example. The example sentence that my group mates thought the cat was sleeping. Similar as the previous example, at the very top we have a TP. The difference is the second we have the CP and the T bar. The CP means a clause, and then the sentence, the CP part is that my group mates saw. And then the T bar goes to T and VP. The tense in this sentence was past tense, and then VP goes to V bar, and the main verb is was, and then sleeping also goes to other segments. After giving some examples, now we'll go to the main principles of phrase structure rule. Also, use the cat is sleeping as an example. The first principle is immediately dominant. What is immediately dominant? For example, TP immediately dominant the DP and T bar, but TP is not the immediately dominant T or VP. Another main principle we talk about is the linear precedent. This principle we also call it the sister relationship. For example, the DP linear precedents the T bar, and T and VP or V or other segments, and the T bar linear precedents the VP, V, and other segments. So that's all we talked about today for phrase structure rules. Thank you for watching.